The night sky is a breathtaking sight. It's filled with countless stars, each one a sun to its own worlds. For as long as we have looked up, we've wondered, are we alone in this vast expanse? Or are there others looking back at us from their own planets? The universe seems almost infinite, with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. Statistically, it feels impossible that Earth is the only planet where life has sparked. And yet, when we listen to the cosmos, we hear nothing. There's only a profound and unsettling silence. This great quiet is one of the biggest mysteries we face. We've built powerful telescopes. We've sent probes into the far reaches of our solar system. We listen carefully with our radio dishes, hoping to catch a whisper from another civilization. But the universe remains stubbornly quiet. There are no greetings, no messages, no signs of distant technologies at work. It's as if we're shouting into a vast, empty hall, with no one there to hear us. One of the most compelling and perhaps terrifying reasons for a civilization to stay silent is simple fear. The universe is ancient and vast, and we have no idea what other forms of life might be like. Our own history on Earth is filled with examples of conflict, where more advanced or aggressive cultures have overwhelmed others. This idea is sometimes called the dark forest theory. In a dark forest, every creature stays silent, because to make a sound is to reveal your location to a predator. A third powerful reason for silence could be philosophical or ethical. An ancient and truly wise civilization might have developed a profound moral code regarding their place in the universe. They may have come to believe in a principle of non-interference, similar to what we see in science fiction stories. This principle would state that it is wrong to meddle with the natural development of other, less advanced civilizations. To understand why a civilization might choose silence, we do not need to look to the stars. We can look right here, in our own natural world. The animal kingdom is a masterclass in the art of staying hidden. Think of a chameleon changing its skin color to blend seamlessly with a branch, or an octopus altering its texture and shape to mimic a rock on the seabed. If a civilization truly wants to hide, its technology would be its greatest asset. They might develop what is known as a Dyson sphere, or a variation of it. The structure could be engineered to absorb the star's heat, and then re-radiate it at a very low temperature, mimicking the natural background radiation of the universe. Their entire solar system would effectively vanish from sight. Faced with this great cosmic silence, humanity has not simply waited. We have actively started to listen. This effort is broadly known as the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. There have been a few exciting moments, like the famous WOW signal in 1977. This was a strong, narrow-band radio signal that lasted for 72 seconds and appeared to come from deep space. Perhaps we should not be listening for what is there, but for what is not. Imagine scanning a patch of sky and finding a star that suddenly, inexplicably vanishes. Or perhaps we could search for unnaturally cold, dark spots in space, areas that are quieter and emptier than they should be. This could be the thermal shadow of a hidden world. Ultimately, the theory of silent civilizations holds up a mirror to humanity. When we imagine why others might hide, we draw upon our own experiences, our own fears, and our own hopes. As our own technology grows, we will face the same choices that these hypothetical civilizations may have already made. Will we use our power to shout louder, or will we learn to turn our focus inward? We have journeyed through the vast, quiet expanse of the cosmos. The great silence may not be a sign of emptiness. It could be the sound of a universe full of life that has chosen peace and caution over contact. This perspective shifts the silence from something unsettling into something potentially beautiful. It suggests that the most advanced civilizations may not be galactic conquerors, but cosmic gardeners. In the end, we are left standing under the same star-filled sky. But our perspective has changed. The silence no longer feels empty. It feels full of possibility. This leaves us with a critical choice for our own future. As our technology and wisdom grow, what path will we choose? The silence poses a question not just about the universe, but about what kind of civilization we want to become. The great silence is not an end to the story, but a beautiful and mysterious beginning. It reminds us that there is still so much to learn, so much to explore, and that our own small world is part of a magnificent and truly silent cosmic ocean.